Welcome guys, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'm gonna show you the best camera tips and tricks on this device. Okay, so let's start from the best feature for me. If you wonder how to get more details on the photos in this device, let me show you. So let's make small comparison. I'm gonna take photo of these buttons and flowers in front of me, and right now go right here for aspect ratio and switch to the 200 megapixel mode. After taking the photo with the 200 megapixel mode, you have to wait a little bit for the post-processing, and let's take a look right now for the first photo. It looks like that. We can focus, for example, on these buttons. We can find here some texture, so I guess it will be a good point to take a look on this. So in the 4x3 12 megapixel, it looks like that. When we switch for the 200 megapixel mode, as you can see, when you take a look, for example, right here, we can find more details, definitely, and also we can zoom in definitely closer. So take a look one more time. It will be, I guess, a little bit better if I catch focus manually. So let me just do this one more time. Okay, so let's remove this one. That photo was taken also with the 200 megapixel mode, but without the focus. And right now, take a look on it. As you can see, that's definitely more details. So that's very useful. If you want to get more details on the photos, just try to switch to the 200 megapixel mode. Next, we can also use the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, so we can basically click once for the volume up or volume down, and we will take photo. We can click and hold to take series of the photos. The same for the volume down. When you click and hold main shutter, we are going to record short video, and we can move our finger to the lock. And right now we can simply take photos while recording. We can zoom in, zoom out with these presets. We can pause video, turn it on and finish. We can also swipe down this shutter button to take also series of the photo, but we can change function of this swipe gesture and also of the volume buttons. Let me show you. So open the settings and go for the swipe shutter button to create the GIF. Take a look right now. Release and go for the gallery to take a look how it looks. And as you can see, we create a GIF with our S23 Ultra. And if you want to adjust volume buttons function, go for the settings, open shading methods, go for the press volume keys, and here we can zoom in or zoom out. It's very useful actually. Take a look. Press volume up, and right now we can smoothly zoom in. Press volume down to zoom out. As you can see, when you make it, we'll also unlock additional presets like 10x, 30x, and even 100x. When you go over 20x zoom range, we'll also unlock this preview on the right upper corner. It will be a little bit easier to navigate. Of course, in my case, it looks terrible because I'm sitting in a small office and the objects are very close to the lenses. So yeah, let's move forward and we can go for this option right here. We can change color and the temperature with the filters. We can adjust strength by moving this slider. To get original look, just pick the first one. We can also go for the shutter delay between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. And next we can go to the settings where we can find other options. Let's scroll down and we can simply turn on the grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the list and they help us to take better composition on the photos. When you go back to the settings, we can also go for the settings to keep. As you can see right here, we can enable other options. For example, let's switch for the high picture resolution. And right now, let's try to take photo. Okay, it looks like I didn't understand that option. Let me just take a look one more time. Okay, let's turn it off. Next, we can go for the more modes. And right here, we can find a lot of options. For example, let me show you how you can measure something. So we can go for the AR zone. We have to install it, and you have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let's click to turn on, and let's try to open it one more time. And here we can go for the quick measure. We have to download this option also. Accept permissions and take a look right now. After a few moments, we'll be in the application. Okay, there's another option that we have to download. That's the Google Play services for AR. So as you can see, it takes some time to get it, but it will be definitely useful. So let's update this option. Okay, and I think that finally we can open it. Yeah, right now we have to scan our surface in front of us. So just basically move your phone to the right, to the left, down, up. And as you can see right now, we can make some measure. We can measure something like, for example, the space from this button to this button. Let's try it. So click on the plus to start. And then, okay, it's working terrible actually, as you can see. It just moved, it just moves the main point. Take a look. Okay, let's finish. Let's click plus right here. And it says that it's 10. I'm not sure about that, but it's a little bit weird because on the S23 and the S23 Plus, I also used this option and it was working fine. But right here, it's for some reason it's moving the main points. I don't know why, but let me try to reset this application. Maybe that's the reason. Let's go for the AR zone. Quick measure. Let's try to scan Arena one more time. Okay, and let's see if it works right now. Yeah, it's still moving. And right now I cannot even. Okay, right now it works a little bit better, but still not good, and I'm not sure why it's working like that. Never mind, let's skip this function. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. So here we can also find the single take. With this option, we can basically click on the shutter and record like 10 seconds video, and from that video our smartphone will create other modes like hyperlapse video, filter photo, crop photo. We can tap on the right upper corner where you can take a look all of this option that our phone will create. So let me show you how it works. And to finish, you can click right here, but you can also add additional 5 seconds. And there was this small button next to the shutter. And as you can see, after a few moments, our phone creates 6 different modes. Let's take a look. So that's the photo, that's the boomerang clip. As you can hear, there's even some kind of the music. That's also fast forward clip. That's the crop shot, filter picture, and original video with the original audio. So yeah, that's very funny and useful option. And for me, that's all. That's all camera tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.